So this is the Minnie-Plus sausage stuffer. It's one of my favourite bits of kit that Weschenfelder do. It's got this really lovely stainless steel barrel. It has a 3 kilo capacity, comes with several size nozzles, so you can make anything from haggis all the way down to chipolatas. It cradles on the front, so it's easy to load, and you just lock it into place with these two levers, and it's got a really lovely, smooth turning handle which forces the plunger into the barrel and therefore pushes the meat out into the casings. And when you're done with making sausages, you can wind it back, or it's got a 2-gear quick release. You can just flick this button here and that releases it. You can take it out and then it makes everything super easy to wash. So I'm going to show you how to feed the skins onto the nozzle. So the skins have been soaked. I also like to just put a little bit of moistness on the nozzle to reduce any friction. Find one of the ends of the skins that have been pre-soaked. Prise open the end and just slip that over the nozzle. And then just gently feed the skin onto the nozzle directly out of the water that it's been soaking in, and it just slips on nice and easy. And what I tend to do is I tend to fill the nozzle, put as much of the skin on there as possible, because when it's concertinaed like that, it stays moist. When it's flat like that, it starts to dry out. So really load the nozzle on, even if it means putting more on there than you need. And I just leave a little bit hanging over the end of the nozzle. I don't put a knot in it because any air in the mix we need to allow to come out. When you're loading the skins from a spool, it comes with these dividers, and each skin is a new skin. So you just remove the divider, find the end of the skin, just pull that forward, and again it's just a tricky bit of trying to locate the end, pop that over, and then you're feeding the skin off the spool that's been soaked directly onto the nozzle. So let's show the Minnie-Plus in action. The sausage mix that's been through the mincer and has been seasoned, we pop back in the fridge just to get a nice bit of chill on it. And you can see how I've compressed that into the stainless steel barrel. I'm gonna pop that onto the cradle, lock it into place, and then wind off some sausages. Making sausages is great fun. It just needs a little bit of concentration, but you don't need to be super dexterous to do it. The way that I work it is that I think that the hand that's turning the handle is my accelerator and my other hand is the brake. So I'm turning the handle, which forces the meat through, and with my other hand I'm just applying a little bit of pressure on the skin against the nozzle so that I can regulate exactly how much of a sausage I fill.